Assalamu alaikum. I am Abdullah Al Mamun, Assistant Teacher English, Kolakopa Kukilperi High School, Nawabganj, Dhaka. So, again, our school started online class. Before that, we have conducted class through direct way using Meet apps. From today, we should have to conduct the class, that's been live class. So today this class is conducted only for the student of class 8. So I think the student of class 8 will participate in my class. I think that the class will be very helpful to you. So the student take preparation with your notebook and pen. I will conduct the class English second paper grammar class. Today our topic is about transformation. Transformation is most important topic for you, you know that. Firstly, what is transformation is the first question. So note it, look at the board and note the definition of transformation. What is transformation? Transformation means changing sentence one form to another without changing the meaning. That means we can change sentence one form to another, but we cannot change the meaning. Meaning should be same. That means the meaning of the sentence we should keep it same, but we have to change the sentence one form to another, like assertive to interrogative, interrogative to assertive, affirmative to negative, such way, assertive to exclamatory. Such type of sentences we can change one form to another, keeping the meaning same, but the sentence structure format will be changed. So it is called transformation. Transformation is mostly important item for the students. Okay, today we will discuss about transformation. Already I have said transformation means changing sentence one form to another without changing the meaning or sense. Meaning and sense must be same, but the mood, the meaning would be same, but the structure of the sentence will be changed. So it is transformation. And you know that today we will discuss about sentence and its structure, and gradually I will conduct the class and I will try to enhance the grammar level, especially grammar spirit. So the student, you should have to keep attention in my class. Next, I will discuss about sentence. Actually sentence changing, so we should know about the definition of sentence. What is sentence? Actually sentence is the way of expression, the language we use for our daily communication. We use different species, so such species is called sentence. We use the way of communication, that is speech. Every speech is a sentence. I think a sentence is the collection of words which has a meaning or sense. The sentence, actually it is the group of words. Group of words. A sentence is a group of words or collection of words which has a correct meaning. But we can arrange different words at a time, but if it doesn't have any meaning or sense, or it cannot complete the sense, then we cannot say it's a sentence. So a sentence is a group of words which has meaning. So look at the board and note it. What is sentence? A sentence is a group of words which has a correct meaning. Okay, note it. Next, kinds of sentence. How many kinds of sentences? Especially there are different kinds of sentences, but I have to focus only two kinds of sentences. Number one, meaningful sentence. Number two, structural sentence. So in the secondary level, the students should have to know about the two kinds of sentences and its uses. That one is meaningful sentence and another is structural sentence. So now question, what is meaningful sentence? So I will discuss now the definition of meaningful sentence and its criteria. So student, keep attention and note down every kind of sentence. Look at the board. Here I am giving the description of sentences. Number one, meaningful sentence. The question is, what is meaningful sentence? And after that I will discuss about structural sentence. Then we will go to the transformation. Before going to the transformation, we should know about the sentences and its definition, description. Meaningful sentence. The sentence which is classified according to the meaning or sense is called meaningful sentence. I am saying it again slowly, and keep attention of the board whereas I am giving the written description. Question again, what is meaningful sentence? A meaningful sentence means the sentence which is classified according to its meaning or sense is called meaningful sentence. Again, what is meaningful sentence? The sentence which is classified according to the meaning of the sentence is called meaningful sentence. Next, kinds of meaningful sentence. Dear students, keep attention. There are 5 kinds of meaningful sentences. How many kinds of? There are 5 kinds of meaningful sentences. Again, how many kinds of sentences? There are 5 kinds of meaningful sentences. Next question, what are they? Look at the board. How many kinds of meaningful sentences? What are they? They are assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, optative sentence, and exclamatory sentence. What are they? Assertive, interrogative, imperative, optative, and exclamatory. Okay, students, note down. Note down or write down the every name of the sentences of a notebook, and same time keep attention of memorizing the spelling of the sentences. Meaningful sentence, it's another name is functional sentence because it is classified according to its function, mood or meaning. So, you know that there are 5 kinds of meaningful sentences. Next, I will discuss about structural sentence. What is structural sentence? Structural sentence means the sentence which is classified according to its structure. Structure, that means the function which is used for making a sentence. For example, subject, verb, object. Moreover, additionally, we also use connector, conjunction, conditional for making sentence. Sometimes we also make the sentence using clauses. So, such type of sentences is called structural sentence. So, again the sentence which is classified according to the structure is called structural sentence, like subject, verb, object, conjunction, clauses, etc. is called structural sentence. Okay. So, I think it is clear to you, structural sentence and meaningful sentence. Now, I am giving the much more information about meaningful sentences and its area. First, assertive sentence. What is assertive sentence? Okay, keep attention and note it. What is assertive sentence? The question, what is assertive sentence? A sentence which makes a statement is called an assertive sentence. Actually, the sentence which denotes any description of anything or something is called assertive sentence. Actually, the sentence which denotes any description, narration or descriptive style is called assertive sentence. Assertive sentence and its kinds. How many kinds of assertive sentence? So, gradually I am going to the grammar class. That means transformation is our motto, is our goal, and if you keep attention and regular participation and participate in my class, then I think that you will be efficient in changing sentences, that means transformation. So, gradually I will try to complete every part of my video. So, you will watch the video several times and I think that you will be efficient or perfect in changing sentences. So, dear student, today we will discuss about different kinds of sentences, especially meaningful sentences. Now, I will discuss about assertive sentence and its kinds. We know there are two kinds of assertive sentences. There are two kinds of assertive sentence. Number 1, affirmative sentence, and number 2, negative sentence. So, how many kinds? There are two kinds. What are they? Affirmative and negative. So, be careful the spelling affirmative. I think it's important for you. My daily practice, I see that most of the students make mistake here. Most of the students make mistake at the time of writing affirmative. So, be careful and still now memorize it. AFFIRMATIV, affirmative. AFFIRMATIVE, affirmative. Its another name is positive sentence, we say, because it has positive sign, affirmative sign. Or we can say the sentence which asserts or describe or depict something positively, here has no negative sign, no not, no never, or the word no. No sense is absent. Such type of sentence is called assertive sentence. Affirmative sentence is called affirmative sentence. No is totally absent is called affirmative sentence. Next, negative. Okay, what is negative sentence? The sentence which denotes negative sense, that means no, not, never, such types of senses are available, is called negative sentence. It is also assertive sentence. So, dear students, keep attention. There are two types of assertive sentence. Number 1, affirmative. Number 2, negative. So, it is our lesson. We have to change sentences one form to another. That means affirmative sentence to negative sentence. But be careful at the time of changing, meaning cannot be changed. So, it is important factor. So, student, today we have to say no here. Next class will be available with much more information, and I think that you will join my class. If you join regularly and participate in my class, I think that you will be very competent in English grammar. Especially the student of class 8, you will focus on my class and participate in my class. If you participate in my class, the class will be participatory and my class will be fruitful. So, student, no more today. I wish you good health, and before ending the class, so a question for you. Please, the COVID-19 contamination is going on, so do not mix with the community. Especially, we should not go out. If we go out, we should wear mask. You know that mask is the only solution of keeping aloof ourselves from the coronavirus. So, no more today. Wish you good luck. Have a nice day. Bye.